Hello student, today we are going to learn our ninth chapter, Settled Life and Urban Civilization. In this chapter we have learned 9.1 Use of Metals. Now today we are going to see 9.2 Pots made on the potter's wheel. 9.3 Trade and Transport. 9.4 Rise of Cities and Script. 9.5 Social Organization in the Asian Cities. This 9.4 and 9.5, these 2 points we'll see later. 9.2 Pots made on the potter's wheel. The Copper Age was the age of many new inventions and rapid changes. The invention of the wheel is the most important among them. It is generally agreed that the wheel was first used by potters. Its use in carts and chariots probably began a little later. Now see, the Copper Age was the age of many new inventions. In this age, many new inventions was done and it was a rapid changes. Okay. So, the invention of the wheel is the most important among them. During Copper Age only the wheel was invented. Okay. So, it is generally agreed that the wheel was first used by potters. Okay. Wheel was first used by potters. Okay. So, it used in carts and chariots. Carts, you know, bullock carts. Okay. And chariots means the vehicle which is used by kings. Okay. You have seen in the serials. Okay. So, probably began a little later. Now see, to make it easy to turn the pot while shaping it, a rotating plank was probably used at first. The pot was shaped with one hand while the other was used to turn the plank. It is possible that the potter's wheel originated in the efforts to modify the rotating plank. Till recent times, tribal women in the northeastern regions of our country shaped the pots by using a rotating plank. You can see the picture in the left hand side. See, potter is making pot. Now see down one, see a pointed square pebble fixed at the bottom of the potter's wheel. This pebble is known as a pivot. Okay. When the potter's wheel is put in motion, it is balanced on this pivot and revolves with a great speed. Okay. You can see in the picture down pointed one. Okay. That is called as potter's wheel. Sorry. That is called as squash pebble. Okay. A potter in ancient Egypt working on a rotating plank or turntable. Okay, now see a potter in ancient Egypt working on a rotating plank. You can see in the picture. Okay, only one hand is used for rotating wheel. Okay. 9.3 Trade and Transport. Once the potters began to use a wheel, it became possible to make pots in large numbers. In this period, people started making symmetrical and colorful pots with beautiful designs on them. Potters and other craftsmen began to live close to each other in the village settlement so as to manage their work more easily. We can say that this became the industrial area of that village where skilled craftsmen had their settlement and centers. Now see, in this period people started making symmetrical and colorful pots with beautiful designs on them. Okay. So potters and other craftsmen began to live close to each other in the village settlement so as to manage their work more easily. Okay, so we can say that these become the industrial area of that village, so where skilled craftsmen had their settlements and centers of production. This happened mainly in those village settlements where the raw materials was easily available and in those which were conveniently situated for trade. Such village settlements expanded rapidly. Now see, this happened mainly in which village settlement where the raw materials was easily available, okay, and in those which were conveniently situated for trade. So such village settlements expanded rapidly, fastly. Okay. As the scale of production increased, trade too expanded with it. Therefore, there was a need to change the old systems of transport. It was in this period that wheeled vehicles like carts and chariots were first brought into use. Now see, as the scale of production increased, automatically trade too expanded with it. Okay, so therefore there was a need to change the old systems of transport. Okay, it was in this period that wheeled vehicles like carts and chariots were first brought into use. So students, I hope you understood these 2 points. So solve your subjectives, MCQs properly. Okay, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.